Hello to everyone. Okay, so I have a little meatball meal. I made some bread. If you want to see exactly how I made it, scroll down, and I have some honey and I have some butter. And so for my beverage, I have green tea. The trick is the tea is cheap. It is 1 cent per bag, and the margarine is cheap. I made my own bread. I bought the honey at Walmart, and then these are some nice candies. I have a truffle and some chocolate lovies. Otherwise, like some toffee candy. The truffles are really delicious. So it's best to put your sugar in and then your milk. Okay, now. Somebody graciously gave us his grandfather's meatball recipe, and I already ate a couple. And what I did is I fried my meatballs on both sides, and then I put about 1 cup of chicken broth because I couldn't locate my beef broth, and I covered and baked my meatballs. These meatballs are terrific. Then I got a nice party package with some stuffed olives. I am a great lover of olives. So basically, this is an easy meal. You could make these meatballs with some gravy and some rice or some fully loaded baked potatoes. And here are my cupcakes. I had half a package of chocolate cake mix, so I bought the cake at Walmart for 88 cents, so 44 cents. And then I saved my frosting, and I saved my sprinkles. So I will write this meatball recipe in the comments for you guys, and you can scroll down if you want to see exactly how I made everything. And God bless you all.